We can also sort values really easily in Pandas. Let's imagine we want to sort our original data frame that we had by age and then by patient ID. That line of code will do it. We just say the name of the data frame dot sort values. We pass in these inputs. So we say by equals, and then this is the list that we wanted to sort by, and it'll go from element to element, sorting it in that order. Now, I've only got to pass in age here because Pandas will automatically sort by patient ID. So if you need it sorted by patient ID, you don't have to, and that's, sorry, Pandas will automatically sort by index. And in this case, patient ID is our index. Because patient ID is our index, we don't need to specify that because Pandas will do it it'll automatically sort by that anyway. So it will sort by age and then by patient ID. And you can see I've used the in place equals true here so that it'll automatically update the data frame itself. So now DF has been restored as this resorted data frame here.